Hey guys, I'm Jerome and I'm going to show you how to set up the starter kit that you ordered from our website, www.thebonsaisupply.com. Here we go.
Take a sharp tool and carefully open your box. Take a look inside and remove all of the excess of the peanuts. Inside your box you will find a bag of soil, a beginner's guide to bonsai, a glazed bonsai container, a piece of pre-cut screen, 2 wires at 2 different lengths, some cutters, and a bag of fertilizer. Last but not least, of course, your pre-bonsai. Next, we are going to set up the pot. You will notice that there is a hole at the bottom of the pot. Use your pre-cut screen and place it on top of the hole. Next, take the shorter wire, bend it in half, and then push it through the bottom of the pot. You can take the longer size of the wire and bend them over flush to the pot. Make sure that the screen does not move too much. Now you will want to take the longer wire, also bend it in half, and then push it through from the bottom of the pot, that is from the outside. Push it all the way through. And this is how you set up the pot. Now we are going to prepare the pre-bonsai, so move all your items away from your work area. Take your pre-bonsai, lay it flat on the table and then gently squeeze the container, and then remove the tree from its container. You can use your hands to break up the root ball. You don't have to remove all of the soil. Now we are going to pot the tree. Take your bag of soil and pour some of the soil into your ceramic container. Fill the container at least halfway and spread the soil evenly. Take your tree and place it in the center of the pot. Use the 2 wires and cross them over the root ball. You can take your hand and twist the wire clockwise. Make sure that the tree now stands without you holding it. Take some more soil and fill in the gaps in the pot. It is important that you work out all the air pockets. You can use your fingers to do that. You can use your thumbs to press the soil into the container and work out all of the air pockets. That is very important. You can use a wire cutter, which we sell on our website, and cut off the excess of the wire. Then you can take the pliers, which we also have for sale on the website. Grab the wire, pull it up, and give it a couple twists clockwise. Make sure that you tie the tree tidy into the pot. The tree should not move by itself at this point. Take the wire cutters again and cut off some more of the excess wire. Then push it into the soil. Take your clippers and cut back the long shoots of the tree. Make sure that the bottom branches are the longest and that the top of the tree is shorter than the bottom. Now, take your bag of fertilizer and spread the entire content across the soil surface. The last step is to water your tree thoroughly. Make sure that you use cool water and really water the top of the soil surface. You can water it a couple times. Make sure that you really saturate the soil.
So this concludes the setup of the bonsai starter kit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and you would like to learn more about bonsai with us, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any questions or comments, please drop them below. We would love to hear from you guys. Until next time.